New this morning, smoke and flames fill a North Nashville business. Investigators now want to know how it started. News Channel 5's Cuthbert Langley has been gathering details for us. He is downstairs in our newsroom. Cuthbert, good morning. Do officials think this thing is a little suspicious?
Good morning, Steve. At this point, they do. They are still obviously working to determine an exact cause, but it appears at this point the fire started on the roof. But in terms of an exact cause or a reason why, an obvious reason why it would break out, investigators still don't know yet, but they do believe an arsonist is behind this fire. You're taking a look at the scene right here. This happened at the Metro PCS store on Lafayette overnight. As you can see, the fire was contained very quickly, but you see the flashlights in there showing the smoke that was still inside of the store. Firefighters not only spent time working to put out the flames, but also working on the scene to figure out if they could determine an exact cause. You see them there looking at the bottom at electrical wires to see perhaps if this was an electrical fire, but it does not appear to be that way at this point. I'm told that crews believe someone may have thrown some debris that was on fire on top of the roof. Now, obviously, since it's late at night, the store was closed, so thankfully there were no injuries to report. And the roof obviously did suffer the majority of the damage again because it appears that some debris was thrown on the roof, and the inside of the building also has some smoke damage as well. So the fire marshal will be out a little bit later on this morning to again figure out exactly what happened, but they do believe an arsonist is behind this. I'm in close contact with police as well as with fire investigators, so as soon as we get updates, you'll be the first to hear them this morning.